In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a Webflow template so you can customize it to match your website. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and select the template you want to edit. In the designer, click on any element to change its content, images, or layout. Use the Style panel on the right to update fonts, colors, spacing, and other design settings. To add new content, open the Add Elements panel on the left and drag elements such as text, images, buttons, or sections onto your page. Use the Navigator panel to quickly select and organize different sections of your website. Click the Preview button to see how your changes look on desktop and mobile devices. Make any final adjustments, then publish your website when you're satisfied with the design. That's how to edit a Webflow template. Thanks for watching.